What's up, fam? Got a bunch of new tools that came over the last couple days, so just wanted to show you guys those and show you the bike shop setup. I recently redid the garage. Super excited about it. So yeah, come check them out. Went with Cobalt because it's got the same aesthetics-ish as Park Tool, and it's much cheaper. So for the non-bike specific things, I got Cobalt. Some big scissors. I use my actual Park Tool scissors to open it. Got a couple little flashlights to see in the little areas of the bike. I doubt they didn't come with batteries, but we'll get some in there. Since I got a new full suspension bike coming, a nice one, I figured I should have a suspension pump. Just this Pro Bike tool. Park Tool is pretty pricey, so went with the cheaper option. And then I got just one of these little brake tools. Pack of mini pliers. And again, Cobalt for the aesthetics. Got one of these digital air pressure gauges. Rotates so you can always see it, and then it does Schrader and Presta. Got a little tiny ratchet set, toe peak. Comes with tire levers. This one I was most excited about. Got a digital micrometer. Nice. Judas here. Chainware tool, and some big wrenches, and a new knife. Let's go see what Jude is up to. Hopi! Jude's here so we can work on his bike. So I'm back. Judy came over, we went and rode first ride of the year. While we were gone, a couple more tools came. We got cable cutters, and some spoke tools. Now it's time to organize them up here, make it look all pretty. thought this video was done, but I ordered more stuff. I got a grease gun, some screwdrivers, a proper bike mallet, with a chain bath, a valve core tool, a single speed spanner, and then some various cleaners and lubes. Got some medium strength Loctite, some wet lube, some of the ceramic dry lube, all sorts of muck off stuff. Got some of the silicone shines, got some ceramic wet lube as well, a muck off sponge, vacuum seal it. It's much thicker than this normally. Some drivetrain cleaner. It's clean and lube kit. It's got the spray on bike cleaner, biochain degreaser, and also some dry lube. Bike cleaner concentrate, a matte finish detailer. Stickers. I love stickers. Put it on my Nalgene. Alright, so it's all done. Put all the Allen keys right up in the front. Over here, cleaning station, extra tube, some other random bits, tools, the helmet, and then all of the tools. Obviously all of these aren't for biking, but for bike repair. It's just all the tools I use. Got a little charging station for phones, speakers, cameras, whatever. A couple USB-Cs, micro USB, and a lightning cable. And then the coolest feature of it all, LED backlight. Does all of the colors. Put in foam flooring. Of course, a stand. So that's the garage and all the tools. Feels good to have them all up there and all organized. I'm sure I'll add to it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Fun little garage project here. If you want to see more things like this, hit that subscribe, that like, and I will see you next time.